Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update. Today we bring you important stories from South Sudan. The news today focus on three big updates. First, a senior official in Lagos State has resigned, saying he was forced out because of politics. Second, we're going to talk about SPLA forces attack a national security base in Capoeira, Eastern Equatoria. And thirdly, we are going to talk about thousands of people in Bentiu took to the street demanding the release of Dr. Machar. These three stories are linked to the ongoing political crisis, the house arrest of Dr. Machar, and the challenges facing the 2018 peace agreement. Stay tuned as we bring you the detailed voice of the people and my own reflection on what this means for our South Sudan. So here, before we proceed, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing to Changfied YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the notification bell. We begin in Rumbek, Lagos State. This week, Majok Malong, who was the chairperson of the Employees Justice Chamber in Lagos State, resigned from his position. Why did he resign? Malong say he stepped down because of political targeting. He explained that members who are loyal to Dr. Machar, South Sudan suspended first by president, are facing harassment and mistreatment. Dr. Machar has been under house arrest in Juba since March 26, 2025 and is now facing charges in a special court. His detention has divided his party, the SPLA, into two groups. One side remain loyal to Dr. Machar, and another group, led by Minister Stephen Parkour, call itself the interim leadership and work with President Salva Kiir government. Majok Malong say he could not continue working under this political environment. In his own word, he said, "If you are loyal to Parkour, then you are safe in the government. But if you are loyal to Dr. Machar, you face dismissal, arrest, or harassment." He also accused the governor of Lagos State, Rin Mabur, of planning to remove him because of his loyalty to Dr. Machar. Malong stressed that his resignation is also a form of protest against Dr. Machar detention. He said, "My message is that we need to implement the peace agreement by releasing Dr. Machar. This case is political," he said that. So far, there has been no official comment from the Lagos State government or from the SPLA interim leadership. This resignation shows how deep the political division is, even at the state level. It is not only in Juba, but also spreading into state institutions. Our second top story, SPLA attack in Capoeira. This is our secondary story. Take us to Capoeira, Eastern Equatoria State, where violence broke out early Thursday morning at around 4 a.m. SPLA fighter attacked a National Security Service base. According to the governor, Los Lobong, the attacker opened fire on the building and later clashed with security forces. Governor Lobong reported that 5 officers were wounded and some were in critical condition. The injuries were taken to Capoeira Civil Hospital, but medical sources gave a different figure. The hospital director, Dr. Caribino Awad, say 9 officers were admitted and one had a severe 8 injuries. Local officials confirmed that the attacker fled after the shooting. Panic spread in the town, but the situation later calmed down. Civil society leader in Capoeira condemned the attack, calling it a violation of the 2018 peace agreement. However, the SPLA spokesperson, Lampol Gabriel, confirmed that their forces carried out the attack. In a statement, he said they killed 5 personnel and wounded 9 others. Why did they do this? The SPLA say it was in response to abuses by government force, including looting, abduction, and harassment of civilians. This attack shows how fragile the peace remains. While leaders talk about unity in Juba, fighting is still happening in the state. Ordinary citizens are the ones who suffer the most. Now in Bentiu, a unity state, where thousands of people from the IDP came staged a peaceful protest on Thursday. The demonstration demanded the immediate release of Dr. Machar and 7 other SPLA officials who are still detained in Juba. According to the information, people carried banners, sang songs, and marched in the camp. They say Dr. Machar's detention is delaying peace and preventing them from returning home. One protester, Ganyang Tap, say the peace agreement requires a hybrid code for crime since 2013. This special code in Juba is illegal. Another protester, Sarah Nyabor, say, we thought peace would allow us to go back home, but now with Dr. Machar in detention, we cannot return. Some protesters were further calling on President Salva Kiir Mayardit to step down, saying citizens are tired of suffering under this leadership or under his leadership. The demonstration ended peacefully, with the United Nations mission in South Sudan, UNMISS, confirming it had received the protest later. The protests also came up to school in the camp were closed for a week. Parents and teachers say it was their way of showing frustration over Dr. Machar trial. This event in Bentiu is a reminder that the crisis in Juba is not just politics at the top, it directly affects the life of displaced families across the country. Brothers and sisters, these three stories are connected by one name, Dr. Machar. In Lagos State, a senior official resigned because Machar loyalists are being persecuted. In Capoeira, SPLA fighter attacked a security base, saying government forces are abusing civilians. In Bentiu, thousands of displaced people protested, demanding Dr. Machar release and a proper peace process. What do these stories tell us? They show that South Sudan is not at peace. The peace agreement of 2018 is still struggling. Leadership signed paper, but on the ground, mistrust, arrests, and violence continue. As Changfied News, we must say the truth. Our people are tired of war and political game. Families want peace, job, school, and dignity. But every day, leaders play with power while ordinary citizens pay the price. My message is clear. To the government, release Dr. Machar and all political detainees. If you are strong, face your rival in politics, not in prison. To the SPLA leader, stop using the suffering of civilians as a weapon. Protect the people, not position. To the international community, do not watch silently. Stand with the people of South Sudan, not with politicians who abuse power. As South Sudanese, we must continue to speak with one voice for peace, justice, and freedom. Jo ban lingwasame ban raiketin konten lat karodian ken kono niam re ler keneme to kon geler dang jok ti bombuom to goro de kon keling mi jira ma jidit goro jen wojin belerti bege nyokane de koken ken yam bana rach ka kwar ki senior official mi ci resign ki charo do woju kom ke Lagos State bana joro bana jelinga jene charge force ka ku siasa ke ki charge look ko teram ko support raw de baro ko ku ma SPLA duo badana shiga korter gaje wala ke national security base kaka Poita Eastern Equatoria Diodian bana right ke 80,000 people re wike bintu tinchi barar ko nyut kan chongdien kel ke Dr. Machar kan Dr. T kan dial wa wuken ke Dr. Machar ko duo badan lat lerme marwaje ka kwide bana je to ke leren yam ka kwi wut kamanda en chiro da watch gwada dat en charge la dejectin ka kwere ban je chulin kel Gwasame ka jawan chalat ka Lagos State official wajen ta resign Kurumbe Lagos State wun mishal ka majok malong jana wa chairperson ka employees justice chamber ka Lagos State wajen ta roda wo ke ta roda ka pin ta resign ka position dan tetin angumo ko resign ka je malong chela do ne jana ba pin wi kwam ka kwiko cha target ko chonga kel kone Dr. Machar aram chunga Dr. Machar kere witin wini mi ke Lagos State jala den go la ja kap kapin la ja gwigen o jin gwanter gorga jen en wo jin bijir di la rami mo mishun kel kana parkol melugo parkol and then baji dil we ka gwad dana titin cha jo mo cha jalat ajene shongda kel kone dakrang Machar ajen do badan ba pinkeje ano cha jo mo chalat ajene dakrang Machar ni ka gwase dana cha je yen keje ni ka changyan dang rod bakel ka pay jok ajene en rami mo mishi lar no shung kel ka dakrang Machar jira mo baji target baji watch ano ka baji changa je ka long ngai kon madan chore lare wichin winemi ano dakrang Machar cha je yen kel kana ji kwara dial entema jatin phase charges ka court ki gwa lo dana loke ko gorgi jen wo jen de je yen ba duno kuma SPLA wo ni ka gwa de dan e cha dakrang Machar cha je yen cha je dakreo te gane tin kon shunkel ke dakrang Machar kane te kon shunkel ke wuri chal ke parkol ala minister Stephen Parkol cha jo jen wo jen jiram dal interim leadership but guli shunkel kana dakrang Machar cha je ko la de jo chen wena meni en wo cha kuma cha dakreo ma jong ma long a link kon ma gwa seme a jenen cha changa je ga long ko kuje mo jen mu wo jaro daje chande ngut ko mu wa ka lada no kal kat te kwera te rete jen anyo ko jenen ne a jeni rami mo mi ci par kol ci gur jirama mo cha ji gur en wo bitelet a jeni ram gur par kol jiram bitelet don celat ben wo ne jen do badan en be pinga jabo a jeni nyo dnje wo chunga kel ken dakrang Machar a jen do badan ko resign ke je a cha jo me cha jalat ka do badan en cha jalat ke je ngai konte dial ko lat ko ne wika South Sudan gorga jen woti dial de te kamal bat chaje gor mi chirna me gorga jeno en ram mo muk chunkel kering Machar chaje gor no jen betre kuma ka adi en jo me di en ling wude me cha resign ka position de mandana tetin re wika Lake State ka gurde ka dakrang Machar jene wud janka ka kimo chala de no gorga jeno jen de chunkel ken interim chairman la parkol cheje kulok cha jo me chaje lat lar dodiana banling gwat same gwat dana kuma SPLA yo chigen yintin ken national security re which ka South Sudan ajen bana kwen keloni no chala do nene ka poeta Eastern Equatoria State ajen gwat dan ti kore toktin ka changa ngwan ka jok chala no ka ta ngwan ni grun wanga long chu kor mo chora lat ban jelin kel chala do nene kuma SPLA yo fighter chicken national security service based in la National Security Service kan konti la SSPDF wa chicken base mo chicken mak jo mo chala da wooden la governor Los Lobong chala da wona ne tinetin kon tin la kum SPLA yo shikaben ka shukan machu kana dwach netin kon tin tere duel and when a money you kore to ka kan konti la security force governor Lobong chala da wona ne jene sha ne dang die keje cha mo ka bot jene ram kel karwa de take critical condition wa dan ci kore to tin and kore me tuoga ka poeta kene chane kone ya barya nang ka poeta civil hospital ka jodan chalat ka jodan chanyo mulat ka gwas me medical source chicken medo dien chicken nyogolat la ne content let ko hospital and winemi would me la doctor chala doctor Kerubino we chala do wona jen chigne dambong wan chicken ke receipt titaka body dit jaram ke radian te ka bon me dit long local official dikala de wona ne kenetin kontin la jikuma SPLA yotin chana mak ray wichin winemi ka chana national security adorin chaja dak keneken chicken ben ka shuga na dwan match ka shuga na bar ka shuga ruden yom bar karodian civil society leader ka poeta chicken man chalat kuma SPLA yo chicken look kan na many a violation of 2010 peace agreement ke yar na male chatan akir ken dakrang Machar dundo gwasme ka jodo dien cha nyogo mulat ke kuma SPLA yo ke report kan lat urishal galam Paul Gabriel chela do ne jene chi force dien chicken na me chicken la let ke chicken de ni SSPDF chicken ka mak ngai kana kana chi ne dang de ke de ni SSPDF chi ne kanak kanai ti choko bong wan ti chicken ngo ka bo chicken raj mo chicken lat no angum me ken netin kontila SSPDF ka jamo ka de ni SPLA yo ka jo chalat gwasme waken walu kan do badana ni shana chaga chenga jega long kume wa doikan na kanan kan kwaken ka bom no ka pay kana bane alo doikan ko la civilian jene kane kan do badan en me kan kume SSPDF ka je ko bukan ka joj ka area so na me en kore to ga nyodo jeno telamal mitere wika South Sudan ka jen gwata me de kon jo me de konaling Lera de dodiana bana nywa gwase me bana right ke demonstration a charlotte re wike bintiu and wale charlotte no shi ne tun one long thousand people tin te kem idp kem wa shi barar ke mutual peaceful protest alawo shi barar nyut ken ta dana met ken ke dakre Machar ke jeki ku ken dakre Machar ku ken support charlotte do ken shi barar ke ken dial kel ta jo me charlotte no men let ken wa shi ken gorno bi ken nyot win mon en wo shun ken kiel ke Dr. Machar ban jome ban jelin kel. Wa demonstration shaja la re wishin winami ka DP cam re wike bintiu. Ka wo de Dr. Machar de jelun. Kana ne dangbaro tin konin ta yen kel ala jiku ma SPLA official. Tin ngot re yena re wike juba. Kan ne konin shi barare wishke bintiu jel kan ka chikan ka gor chike war gane tilakan ka chungnyal ket kendit eno kajel kare kemka chalada no lar ken oring Machar a berar re wich en kajuba kia a kam karar ketijen jen kanene do badana yan ke Dr. Machar ke je kite re tijen ke je jen do badan en telamal ke je ke jen pene odene lu dor komo ring Machar a berar malalat ke benelu chiene ko chine gorno benete re kemka amano gwaden ngonyam aram kel michi barar walle wun shale ganyang tap chela do nene ajenen walle gone no bne nyo win mon no chungne kel ke Dr. Machar anyo gone no dimensional hybrid court ki court dan and the international community can participate in ka luga dan de to ken na mo de jelalet ko de duere ko de cha tong ni ke 2013 de ka lukten ngwata mone ken this special court ajen do badan en gorkano de kalat pa chikan kula do special court re wi juba ken na mo a legal court chi kon mo gwa e kon mo gore nje o ba duir ba ko kompin ke je serbe ke ma yadit no chete kan lonka jo ran di kanalat gwa semene ramkel michal sara nya bor shela do nene jenema ne gwata me mutual peaceful demonstration gone bu kumbe jenen ka gone no ba ngadi winmon ko gone de ne lo shiene ko entem mere Machar we ngore ite jien chine bo lo shiene ko ko queen security ka gone ode re Machar de je lugdar barar ki de je lo nyalor ko de ne lo dor ko chike jo mo chikana lat chine iten ko ne ci barar bon wala re wike binti wala ken no self care ma yadit a be pin a chiti wi kwam ke war gan iken ga gor ken shine self ke yadi shine gor gone o jen be ben pin wi kwam ko jara Ramadan an jak South Sudan ko betika kori ki betel mal demonstration na wa che thoga gwa kamal tere ne ti gaktin ko ji United Nation mission entre wika South Sudan ke unimis ken shikan chonkel ken it content che barar ko shika war ga kon gor ke nyam no bine demonstration be kana la try jogo no ladaje ken demonstration ta ila da gwatel malarikten wa before ken ne barara wa shadul gor shikan ga ke supportin ke Dr. Machar ken jine de redul gor ka gwan mi mo wo kwara we kamul lok jere wi ke juba ken na mo che chong long ne mandan le rode ta jo mo cha jala de ken no shiken ta dan shun ken ke Dr. Machar ke je chicken and ne dial and wale ka jo dana chalat at dial chana link ti gwasame o bnati ka ngai ketin kon lat ka rodian and wale ngai content kon charian lare wichin winami and go chukur chetwoka ka poeta chikon ngaje no ramkel ka kuma SPLA yo cha resign no no ka ngai kon ben go ne kinetin content tera wika binti o shik barar ko bikan nogdien ka Dr. Machar bikan ben yot so mi chidene me goro jeno de yana link kata dan en chingwane sigoro yan lat keje this is Changfied YouTube channel reporting. Thank you for watching and listening. Please subscribe, share this video and leave your thought in the comment. Your voice matter. Together let's keep speaking for the voiceless. Stay safe, stay strong, and may peace come to South Sudan. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and do not forget also to hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.